Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, that can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Oh, the joy of being new parents. What a miracle. Look at this precious angel. Before Ray Baby here showed up like a knight in shining armor, you and your baby were constantly losing sleep.
Excuse me.
And when you finally were able to get some work done, you could hardly focus on anything because you were constantly thinking about the baby. And let's face it, that old baby monitor you were using just wasn't much help. Now you have Ray Baby on call 24/7 with the first truly smart non-contact baby wellness tracker. With this brand new state-of-the-art technology, parents are able to track their baby's vitals, such as respiration rate and sleeping habits. Ray Baby is light and easy to mount. Simple setup, no complicated hardware, no lithium batteries. Ray's technology is superior. Similar to ultrasound, Ray Baby has an ultra-wideband radar to track vitals, all at a safe distance so your baby can rest comfortably. And now you can finally sleep in peace, knowing your little bundle of joy is safe and sound. It's scientifically proven that sleep is extremely important for your baby's mental and physical development. Try organizing your days based on Ray Baby's data and see how much your lives improve. Don't worry, Ray Baby notifies you when she's awake and gives you some recommendations based off of your baby's vitals and sleep patterns.
This is Tado,
a little device that makes your AC unit smart. At 7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off, so they aren't wasting any energy. When Harold is approaching home, Tado reassures him that his home is pre-cooling to his preferred temperature setting. Tado is multilingual. It can speak with any remote-controlled AC unit. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?